Hello there.
What's up? What's good, dreamers? We're doing Elbert Creek today. Me and G-Son, bike, dog, human. What's good? Hello there. Well, hello there. Well, hello there. Hello there. Hello there. Hello there. Hello there. Saha. Hello there.
For those of you who don't know, this is Castle Rock, right behind the Needles gas station. What you see, Luce? A couple steep spots here at Elbert Creek, but it's a marathon, not a race, right?
A key from here.
Oh no. A wild Lucy in her natural habitat. Notice how she sits in the shade to find cool air. Because after all, there's nothing better than cool air.
Made it to the Elbert Creek cabin. Front public land. A little safe out. An old stove. Basic cooking supplies. Some old wine. Some peanut butter.
Wine, you don't say, huh?
Okay.
Lucy! This is a pretty cool cabin. Oh, look. Some Babble.
Jesus. The mama dread just lost its tip. Mama almighty. She's been a good dread. We're gonna donate her. She's gonna bloom into something new. Peace, dread.
Hey, bub.
Hello there. Taking a nice morning dump. We ditched the bikes with the bike. A little steep right here, getting a little nary.
Got a little snail shell. This is how Torren got to be hanging out with Lucy. I just found this adorable thing in the woods.
Yeah, these were her stomping grounds. And
He found her out here.
Little Happen Lake, but yeah, put signs up all around there, everything. She was a skinny little pup, and I never claimed her. No, I have a dog.
Lucy Lou. There's a giant tree right here. Hey everybody, got a new game for you. Name that scat. Can you guess what kind of scat it is? Free sticker to the first 2 people.
Graceful. Rocks.
Dope. It's hard to film myself with the camera on my neck. Here, let's go to the... This is up top Castle Rock. Where are you sitting at? Oh, that's cool. That. All right, so we have to go across this here snowfield right quick. We're gonna make sure we take our time. It's snowy as shit.
Thought I lost it forever.
I just was, you know, taking my time. Torren, man, what happened to your bike?
I rode it too hard, man. Don't work.
Well, we'll be back at it next time.